Welcome to our instructional video on solving the expression x squared plus 2x plus 1. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to simplify this expression and find the solution. So let's dive in and start solving x squared plus 2x plus 1. To solve the quadratic expression x squared plus 2x plus 1, we first recognize that this expression can be rewritten or factored. Step 1. Let's try factoring the quadratic expression. Notice that the given expression is a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial takes the form of a squared term plus 2 times the product of the two terms plus the square of the second term. In this case, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1, which can be rewritten as the square of x plus 1. Therefore, the given expression x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to the square of the binomial x plus 1. Step 2. Since we have recognized that x squared plus 2x plus 1 is a perfect square trinomial, we have rewritten it as the square of the binomial x plus 1. Therefore, the expression is x plus 1 squared. To solve for x, we set the binomial expression equal to 0. This gives us x plus 1 equals 0. Solving for x, we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Thus, x equals minus 1. This is the final step. So the solution to the quadratic equation x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0 is x equals minus 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.